The dog and the bird. Once upon a time, there was a dog who stole a piece of bread and ran to eat it. He saw a river and thought of drinking water from it. He kept his piece of bread and ran to drink water. When he was drinking water, he went back to eat his bread. But he saw that a bird had stolen it. The dog became very angry. The bird said, "You are foolish to close your eyes while drinking water." The dog realized his mistake. He learned that he should always be careful. We should always be careful and pay attention to our surroundings.